Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Things to see at the park. Let's learn English.
Let's learn
More about
Things to see at the park.
Here are
some
Examples. Things you can see outside the park.
swaying trees. Children playing. Shouting vendors. Mommy's talking. People jogging. A man painting nature. A woman cycling around. Musician playing guitar. Birds flying. Dogs running.
Playground. Garden. Stalls. Benches. Field. Restroom. Fountain. Bridge. Lake. Monument. Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
You.
Ready.
Choose the correct scene.
Number 1. Children playing. Or, Swaying trees.
The correct answer is swaying trees.
Number 2. Shouting vendors. Or, children playing.
The correct answer is children playing.
Number 3. Shouting vendors. Or, mommies talking.
The correct answer is shouting vendors.
Number 4. Mommies talking. Or, people jogging.
The correct answer is mommy's talking.
Number 5. A woman cycling. Or, people jogging.
The correct answer is people jogging.
Number 6. People jogging. Or, a man painting nature.
The correct answer is a man painting nature.
Number 7. A woman cycling around. Or, birds flying.
The correct answer is a woman cycling around.
Number 8. Dogs running. Or, musician playing guitar.
The correct answer is musician playing guitar.
Number 9. Birds flying. Or, dogs running.
The correct answer is birds flying.
Number 10. Swaying trees. Or, dogs running.
The correct answer is dogs running.
Quiz number 2.
Ready your pencil and paper. R.
U.
Ready.
Write the missing letters on each word.
Number 1. Playground.
The missing letters are G and D. Playground.
Number 2. Garden.
The missing letters are D and E. Garden.
Number 3. Stalls.
The missing letters are A and S. Stalls.
Number 4. Benches.
The missing letters are B and C. Benches.
Number 5. Field.
The missing letters are I and E. Field.
Number 6. Restroom.
The missing letters are E and O. Restroom.
Number 7. Fountain.
The missing letters are N and I. Fountain.
Number 8. Bridge.
The missing letters are B and E. Bridge.
Number 9. Lake.
The missing letters are A and E. Lake.
Number 10. Monument.
The missing letters are O and E. Monument. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.